Hi, it's Nick from Gardening Express, and today I just want to talk to you about buying plants online and why I believe it's the best place to buy your plants. Now at Gardening Express, value means everything to us. We want to sell you the best quality plants that we can at the very best prices. And we believe that we offer the very best prices out there in the marketplace. Each week we are checking hundreds of prices against our competitors and against the local garden centres. This week alone, I've done a little shop at my local garden centre, got some beautiful plants here, 5 plants here, range of sizes, some shrubs, perennials. This shop alone cost me just over £79 at my local garden centre. Now, if I bought the same plants from Gardening Express, and when I say the same, they're very similar plants. They're not all identical plants. I've tried to get the nearest matches I could. I was astounded at the difference when I tallied up what this set of plants would cost you from Gardening Express. Where these plants cost me £79, this set of plants would cost me just over £46. It's a huge saving. Similar plants, great quality. We are sourcing from the very best garden centres and nurseries all over Essex and the UK, and we try to grow as much as we can ourselves so that we're able to cut out any middlemen, reduce the amount of transportation that's involved. It's no frills, it's just getting great plants to you at the very best prices. Now, buying online is a great way to shop, but there's some things that you really need to be aware of. And as we're checking our prices, there's something very important that we've noticed coming along recently. You thought it might have just been happening to your Mars bars, but actually shrinkflation is bad news in the garden centre world at the moment. It's something we've spotted and it's something we're against. Now, what do I mean by that? When you're shopping for your plants online, plants are sold in different size pots and containers. Now, when you're comparing your prices, it's really important you look out to see what size plant you're buying. And most of the time that's indicated by the pot size. Now, some of these pots here are grown in 5-litre pots, some of them here are grown in 2-litre pots. But let me just show you some of the difference, because something that we've seen that some of our competitors are doing is this. They are selling you plants at a much smaller size to reduce their costs. And the impact for you takes a lot longer for these plants to look good in your garden. And in fact, you're going to end up with lots more weeds while these plants are trying to take hold. So let me just show you the difference. A lot of the time, if you're buying a typical shrub, you might be buying it in a 2 or 3 litre pot, a bit like this. Typically, that shrub might be so big outside the top of the pot. This is often a size we might sell, or in fact, we like to sell even larger shrubs. So for example, here's a beautiful hydrangea that we've got here. And again, this is grown in a 10-litre pot. You can imagine you're going to get a beautiful big shrub coming out of this. Now, one thing we've noticed, particularly this year, our competitors are not selling you these plants in the same size pots. If you look closely at what you're buying, you're not getting a 2-litre pot. In fact, you're not even getting a 1-litre pot. A lot of the time, these guys are now selling you plants in 9-centimetre pots. Now imagine how big that shrub's going to be. You'll be rather disappointed when that arrives. So when you're shopping online, make sure you're checking out the size of the plants as well as the price. It makes all the difference. Now, at Gardening Express, quality means everything to us as well. So we're always checking the quality of our plants when the plants arrive with us and when they're dispatched through the door. So value, quality and choice is also another pillar that we stand by. You might look at some of these shrubs in terms of buddleias. We might be selling 20, 30, 40 different types of buddleia at any point in time. So choice means everything to us as well. And again, as we look here, here's different type of buddleia, different colour flowers. Again, amazing, great value and choice. So, Gardening Express for your online shopping. Great plants, great value, great choice, ease of buying, plants delivered to your door. Have a great day.